Right now, you can get up to 80% off on Hostinger hosting plans. And on top of that, you get an extra 20% off on billing when you use my special referral link in the description. Yes, that's a massive discount stacked on top of an already cheap price. Whether you want to start a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, Hostinger gives you fast hosting, free SSL, and super easy setup, even if you're a beginner. All you need to do is click the link in the description and the discount will be automatically applied. No extra steps needed. Plus, you'll also get extra free months added to your plan, so you're basically getting more time for less money. And if you're worried about risk, don't be. There's a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, and if you don't like it, you get a complete refund. But this deal doesn't stay forever, and prices can go up anytime. So click the link in the description right now. Lock in up to 80% off plus the extra 20% discount